Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Astronaut Galaxy projector from FlyEagle. As we open it up, we've got the user manual right on top. Here is the projector itself, well protected. As you can see, it's kind of got this magnetic snap, so the head just snaps in. And this is the projector portion itself. And you've got controls on the back here. The nice thing is though, you've also got a remote control. And then you've got this USB-C to USB-A cable for powering this thing up. So taking a look here, this is made of plastic, but it feels quite durable and it's got some weight to it, which is nice. You can set it down on your tabletop, you can set it down on your dresser and just point this part at the ceiling and it'll go ahead and shoot those stars off and give a very cool environment for your bedroom, for your living room, for wherever you want to really put this. So you simply plug this in right underneath the jetpack on the back there and take a look at that. And you've also got this star aperture green part right here. So as you can see, it's putting quite a bit on my finger right there. You've also got Bluetooth connection button. You've got volume up, volume down, previous track and next track. And here is that white noise. Looks like that's like an ocean wave. I'm just taking a look at this in the dark. As you can see, that rocket ship really changes colors when you press it. Looks super nice, and the range of colors is a lot more expansive than I initially thought. So check out the remote control. As you can see, you can add different colors for the nebula, like add some red, remove the red, add some blue, remove the blue, add some green, and remove the white. Brightness of the nebula, speed it up. Fade between colors on the nebula, a little bit of red, a little bit of green. And then there's also music sync. So if you're playing music, you can have this sync to the music, which is just absolutely amazing. So overall, I highly recommend this Astronaut Galaxy projector. It's great for kids, great for anyone that just wants to enhance their room. Thank you for watching.